Welcome back. How's it going today? So in this video, we're going to talk about what is an SBA loan. A lot of people say, what's an SBA loan? An SBA loan stands for Small Business Administration. And very simply put, an SBA loan is basically, it's a loan that's funded by a bank or an SBA preferred lender. And that loan, a portion of that loan, a big portion of that loan is guaranteed by the government. Someone were to take out an SBA loan and default, the government would reimburse that bank as long as the bank provided the loan according to the SBA guidelines. And typically the government basically insures or covers about 75 to 85% of that entire loan transaction. An SBA loan, they definitely have some benefits. There's some pros and there's some cons, and I'll talk about that. Some of the benefits are they're usually longer terms and lower rates than standard or other traditional or alternative business loan products that are out there today. Typically in an SBA working capital loan, a 7A working capital loan, the terms are usually about 10 years long and they cap out at about $350,000 on a loan amount. And the rate is basically about prime plus 2 to 3%. So prime rate right now, it always changes, but right now it's right around 5.25%. So plus 2 to 3%, so prime plus 2 to 3% would be a rate of about 7.25% to about 8.25%. So typically it takes about 3 to 6 months to get an SBA loan. So it is a little time consuming. There is a lot of paperwork. It's not a fast process. So you really have to weigh that out if it's worth going that route. There also are some other products available on the market today where the rates are not that far off of where the SBA rates are today because the prime rate has recently rose. And then there's also a 7A SBA loan product that is for purchasing real estate or refinancing your existing real estate. They go up to a 90% LTV. So meaning if you're purchasing a building or a piece of real estate, you have to put down 10%. Or if you're refinancing your existing building, you can go up to 90% of the value. So if your building's worth $1 million, you can refinance up to about $900,000. So on the real estate side, that's also only for commercial real estate. And some lenders have expedited the process, and we've worked with some of those lenders, and we've been able to expedite the process down to about 45 to 60 days, which is really fast in the SBA world. We've eliminated a lot of unnecessary paperwork and streamlined the whole application process. I also created another video, you can check it out right here, which is how to get an SBA loan. And that video really talks about everything that you're going to need, the documentation, the guidelines, and if you're going to be the right fit for an SBA loan, so you can eliminate any unnecessary time wasted on something that you're never going to get. If you'd like to learn more about SBA loans and how we speed up the process, please check out the link below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to seeing you again. Take care.